I'm presenting my LDS Movies web application assignment, and so we'll go on, and I have it pulled up already so it doesn't take forever to load. And so I'll just do a little quick demonstration of it working. So let's do comedy, and we'll just search comedy, and those two pull up, and we'll just do all, and then we can just do the no filter the movies with the okay, and then I'll show if we create a new movie. I don't know if I okay, I did do this one. Another church movie we could do. Oh, sorry, this is on the spot. Let's do Once I Was a Believer. Well, let's just say it was released next year, and I think that's family. Let's see, it's 21, and it's PG. Go create, and here it is. Then we can go and edit it. And let's say it's on sale, so we change the price for $14.50. We save it. There it is. We click on the details, and we can see the details of that specific movie. And we can also delete. So we'll delete this, and it's gone. So that is my application. And